try to be cool and press it down too quick. Read you. Alright. You ready?
Mhm. Bless you.
Alright, here we go. That was kind of a cool slide though, huh?
Yeah. That's funny. Should I stop it? Aww.
Let's go to the street course. Fuck you then.
Are you good?
Do I look good?
No. You look tired as shit.
I fell because I wanted to lay down so bad. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Possible knee injury.
Oh, God.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do something like right up your skirt.
I'll back up a little bit.
Needs a little. Ran out of steam. My legs just give out on me.
That's what she said.
Alright, I'm gonna skate down here for a minute then. I'm on the verge of already. Ugh! No, never! Alright. Are you recording? I guess I gotta do it if fans are watching.
Hell yeah.
What you wanna see?
It's something cool.
Alright. Alright, you're ready, right?
Yep.
That didn't land right at all. Yeah. You might as well stop this fucking recording.